A couple of days ago, may nagsabi po sa akin, no? Father, alam niyo po, matagal po akong hindi nakapagkumpisal. Mga 5 years na po yata. Kaya, hindi din po ako regular magsimba. And then I asked, bakit naman? And then, she responded, kasi Father, nahihiya po ako. Marami na akong kasalanan, kaya nakakahiyang magsimba. Dear friends, the ultimate answer to that person who talked to me is explicitly stated in our gospel today. Those who are well do not need a physician, but the sick do. I did not come to call the righteous, but sinners. Naisip niyo po ba, if Jesus were alive today, saan kaya natin siya makikita? Kung nabubuhay si Jesus sa panahon natin ngayon, nasaan kaya siya? Nasa simbahan? Nagdadasal? Nasa Adoration Chapel? Nag-Holy Hour? Nasa Vatican kaya siya? Nasa Holy Land, kung saan siya pinanganak. O baka naman nagpipilgrimage siya sa mga Marian sites. Nasa mga kumbento kaya siya. O nasa mga residence ng mga pari o ng mga obispo. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm pretty sure that if Jesus is physically with us today, He would be in that confessional box, listening to repentant people. He would be in orphanages, prisons, or maybe home for the aged, doing charity works. And maybe, just maybe, even in disco bars, or maybe houses of prostitution, evangelizing and helping the unchurched people. Or maybe, even in our homes, nasa ating mga bahay, in our residences, kung saan madalas may nag-aaway, madalas may nagkakatampuhan, madalas may nagkakaiyakan, o madalas may nagkakasamaan ng loob. Yes, this may sound very scandalous. Exactly. And that's the same immediate reaction of the scribes and the Pharisees during the time of Jesus. Kala ba namin miracle worker yan? Kala ba namin sinugo ng Diyos yan o propeta yan? Kala ba namin banal-banal yang si Jesus na yan? Bakit kasama yung mga makasalanan? Bakit kasama yung mga magnanakaw? At hindi lang kasama, nakikain pa kasama nila, nakiinom pa kasama sila. Dear friends, going to church, attending the Mass, and receiving the Holy Communion is never a reward for the righteous and the chosen ones. Many times kasi, we think na kaya lang magsisimba kasi ang bait natin, kaya lang magko-communion kasi banal na banal tayo, at ramdam na ramdam natin ang Panginoon. But on the contrary, the Holy Communion, attending the Mass, and going to church is a medicine for all of us. It is food for our spiritual nourishment, for all of us who are sinners. And it is the remedy for our brokenness. And so, dear friends, let Saint Matthew or Levi be our inspiration for today. Right from the very start, he knows his weaknesses. He knows his sins and his guilt. But these circumstances did not hinder him from having an encounter with the Lord. Maybe Jesus is just there, whispering to us, "Come, follow me. I did not call the righteous, but the sinners." Amen.